I'm gonna be a legend in these neon-soaked streets. Just you watch.
Yabang ni Kara eh. Magiging legend daw siya eh.
The Major Corps got military. Attack! We've got black market engineering.
Patay na pala yun doon.
Took this kid for his friends. Request backup.
Ay no, nandiyan na siya. Grabe, pinagtatluhan na ako yun. Ang tagal niya yun dyan, hinintay ako. Yung ka dito, ang tagal yun, umalis na pala yung ka dito.
After this score, I'll
kitang kita sa mga kan. Ganda yung tunog ng spinikari na to. Ganda ng tama na yun. Patay. Naka-double kill.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack. Launch attack. Ally has been slain. Launch attack.
Bang! Sakit! Nag-thank you yung Aurora kasi nakatay siya. Naubawi siya.
Killing spree!
Ito, 1v1 kami ni ni Beatrice. Ito wala talagang saniban. 1v1 yan Ito na, 1v1. Ano, 1v1 Ano? Ano? Walang palag. Palag. Build na ako dyan. Nakabuild na ako ng corrosion pipe. Medyo nakakit na yan. Malakas na yung slow niya. Kailangan lagi maka-guard ako dito. Kailangan makalamang ako ng gold kaya na maganda yung dami siya. Patay dito yung Julian eh. Patay dyan yung Julian eh. Grabe yun. Patay nga ang Julian. Ay, nakapag-push na ako. Ngayon lang ako dito dyan. Hindi ka papalagan. Dalawa yan eh. Ito, triple
Our
kill na to.
turret has been destroyed.
Ganda ng pasok niya.
Cyber runners like me operate on edge of society. Time to let loose. Mega kill. Enemy initiate retreat. Time for you to crash and burn.
Ito si Gwyneth. Ito magandang ano. Pag ano kay Gwyneth.
Launch
Ito.
attack.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng talon niya na. Bang!
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Gonna crash here for a sec. Initiate attack.
Ang ganda na ito.
Launch attack. Double kill. Ally has been slain. Request backup.
Ito,
I'm gonna
ang
turn
diwa
you
na
into
naman ito ng
cyber
Brutals.
dust. Launch attack.
Patay na agad to sa akin.
Monster kill. Request
Patay agad,
backup. You're as good as vaporware.
Masakit na yung damage ko dito. Hindi na ako gano'n.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Battle spell is ready. Time to let loose. I'm gonna turn you into cyber.
Grabe yun. Ito na.
Gather up the turtle.
Sakit na.
Launch attack. An ally has slain the turtle. Can't trust anyone in this artificial city, especially the suits.
Lagi na lang si Julian dyan nakaklash eh. Ito, patay din to.
Legendary.
Dito sa lang akong pesto. Nakapaganda yung palingguin. Na-shotgun ako. Ito, maling-mali ang position nito. So, binibasic niya. Ayaw mo ano.
Shut down. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Ito, patay pa yan. Bang!
Slain an enemy. Initiate
Patay.
retreat. Cyber runners like me. Launch attack. Turret has been destroyed. Launch attack. Enemy rampage. You have slain an enemy. Double
Bang!
kill.
Sakit to.
Request backup. Shut down. Killing spree. Request backup. Double kill.
Pagkakamali mo yun. Pagkakamali mo yun, Kadita.
Launch attack.
Bumalik ka pa, nakaligtas ka na.
You're as good as vaporware. Launch attack. Unstoppable. Gather us the Lord. Gather us the Lord. Double kill.
Yan ang pagkakamali mo.
Gather us the Lord.
Ang bilis niya, no? 1 to 1 to yun, eh. Ang tama ng spirit. Ay, tapos na ito na agad, eh.
An enemy ally has been attacked. Double kill. Wipe out. You destroyed a turret. After
Ito, medyo hindi napipindot yung ano, yung joystick dito kumakapit. Dumidikit.
The Major Corps got military. Team destroyed the turret. Launch attack. Godlike. Your team destroyed the turret. Allied
Okay, okay.
double kill. Triple kill.
Nice.
Mega kill. Your
Patay
team
pa ako
launch
dito.
attack. Double kill. Wiped out. Launch attack. I'm gonna be a legend in these neon-soaked streets. The team destroyed the turret. You destroy the turret.
Kala ko tumalon na agad ang Grenadier. Yung pala hindi. Nakalock tower na ako dun eh.
Initiate retreat. Monster kill.
Balay.
Shut down. Your team destroyed the turret. Initiate retreat. Coming in hot. Shut down. Legendary.
Tik, namatay pa rin yung Angelo eh.
Launch
Takot
attack.
yung Aldous dito, kinakancel niya yung SS niya. Ayan, patay siya. Takot na takot kasi. Matatapos na, dito eh. Pa dito nandito.
Launch attack.
Parang last ano na yata, last minute na to. Full build na ako na. Ang aking full item build. Last na yata to, wait out na sa dito. Yun yung full item ko. Yun ang full item build. Pero naman natira. Patay ko yung inim nila. Sa Angelo lang natira. Naglakad pa oh. Ano pala siya naman.
Request backup. Retreat from the Lord. Retreat from the Lord. Retreat from the Lord. Retreat from the Lord. An enemy has been slain. You have slain that attack. Double kill.
Bong! Sakit talaga ni Carl sa review.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Wiped out.
Hello, GG.
Ally has slain Lord.
Wipe out sila oh.
I only took this gig for the quest.
Clock tower na ako dun eh. Tinan mo yung dalawang tira ko. Oh, putik. Pang shotgun eh. Grabe yun.